Welcome to the next in the series of self-help videos, and here we're going to deal with smart menus, which is one of the very exciting, very powerful elements of the system. And I'll show you how to set these up as a host, and I'll also show you how to receive these as a receiver of a smart menu. So what this smart menu allows us to do is it allows us to, as receivers of a smart menu, it allows us to take content from external content providers and to show that seamlessly on our own communities, which is really such a powerful tool. And from a host perspective, smart menus allows us to create the content and to be able to share it widely with minimal work and minimal difficulty. Right, we're now in the video tutorials community, which has already been set up. As you can see, it's got the masthead, it's got the logo, it's got basically all the information that we need, loaded up some wallpaper, and I've basically just got 4 different menus which have been set up. And I'm now going to set this up as a smart menu so that we can share this with receivers, with people who would like to host these. In order to create a host smart menu, we click on this Enable Smart Menu Sharing, which now allows us to make all of those smart menus. We're only going to deal with top-level smart menus in this video, although I will show you how we can create children. And I'm going to set up a smart menu for each of these 4 communities, and I'm not going to allow members to post on them. If you allow members to post, then it means the receiver is able to allow his community members to post onto your feeds, which is fine in some instances, but perhaps in others it's not. Of course, if you do allow members to post here, the receiver of the smart menu can override that and say his members are not able to post. Right, in order to make these smart menus, we have to generate a code for each one of them, which is a smart code. So we click on each one of them and we generate a code. And you see the system automatically generates a code. And then you want to save the community at this stage. So whilst it's busy saving, you're able to have a mixture of ordinary menus as well as smart menus. They don't all have to be smart. Okay, so now you will see that each of those menus is now a smart menu, and each of them have a number. So as the smart menu community host, you can now send that smart menu number to anybody that you would like to share the menu with. What I would also do is just put a description into each of these. I'm just going to, let's pick one of them. We'll put it into, say, the communities, videos that will assist you in setting up your community and posting to the feeds. Right. This is a real live environment, so I'm not going to allow members to post, but I will come and change this later. I'm going to say in the overviews, I'm going to allow members to post. I will come back and change this a little later. Right, so I'm going to save this community now, and I'm now going to go in as a smart menu receiver. So in the same facility, we have another community, and of course you can share smart menus outside of your facility. You can share it with anybody on the platform, but we have a dashboard for managers community, and I'm now going to go into that community, and I'm going to now receive those smart menus. Okay, so I don't even have anything in here just yet, This has got release notes, it's got contact us, it's got a whole bunch of other information. And basically what this is just a community where managers of clubs are able to access a whole lot of resources. So I'm going to add a menu. I'm going to call it Video Tutorials. Okay, and I'm going to make that a menu because I'm going to load under that these 4 smart menus. Then, this is very important that you watch what I'm doing here. On the drop down, I'm going to select Smart Menu. Okay, and it's now asking me for the smart code. I'm now searching on a list of the available smart menus. We will restrict this in the future, and I'm going to select those 4. So I'm going to add dashboard videos as the first one, and you see it automatically enters the smart menu reference number. I'm going to select a second one, smart menu. I'm going to go and search for that one. I happen to know that's at the top of page 2, so I can go straight there. Right, manage members. I'm now going to say add that smart menu. I'm going to add the third smart menu. Right, I'm going to once again go and search for that. And that's the second item on page 2, which is communities. I'm going to add that. And then the last one is also a smart menu, and I'm going to add dashboard videos, which is the communications. Right, now I'm going to save this community. You can't organize this until after you have saved, and it's very important that you do this now, because we're going to want to put these smart menus under that parent menu that we created, which is the video tutorials menu.